Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno dictations. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 wpm. Ready? Start. Learned Counsel for the state further submitted that a bunch of writ petitions involving identical issue filed by similar situated persons was dismissed by this court on 4/11/2014 White judgment passed in CWP number 22455 of 2012 Rajesh versus State of Haryana and others. Full stop. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and perusing the paper book, I do not find any merit in the submissions made by learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. The services of the petitioners were dispensed with wide order dated 3/5/2006. Full stop. The petitioners felt satisfied with the order so passed and never raised grievance till such time the legal notice was got issued for the first time about 6 years thereafter. Full stop. The present writ petition has been filed on 2012 which is highly belated. Full stop. The issue regarding delay in invoking extraordinary jurisdiction was considered by Honorable the Supreme Court in UP Jal Nigam and another versus Jaswant Singh and another within bracket 2006 11 SCC 464. Full stop. It was a case in which certain employees raised the issue that they were not liable to be retired at the age of 58 years but should be permitted to continue in service till they attain the age of 60 years. Full stop. They were still in service when the writ petitions were filed. Full stop. The writ petitions were ultimately allowed. Full stop. Placing reliance upon the judgment, some of the employees who already stood retired filed writ petitions claiming same benefit. Full stop. The writ petitions were allowed by the High Court in terms of its earlier judgment. Full stop. The judgment of the High Court was impugned before Honorable the Supreme Court, wherein, while referring to earlier judgments of Honorable the Supreme Court in Roop Diamonds versus Union of India within bracket 1989 to SCC 356 Jagdish Lal versus State of Haryana within bracket 1997 6 SCC 538 and Varinder Singh 2015 1 20 1033 civil writ petition number 25957 of 2012 within bracket ONM within bracket 3. I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document. Punjab and Haryana High Court at Chandigarh, Government of West Bengal versus Tarun K. Roy within bracket 2004 1 SCC 347. It was opined that the persons who approached the court at a belated stage, placing reliance upon an order passed in so me other case earlier, can be denied the discretionary relief on account of delay and laches full stop from the aforesaid authorities. It is clear as crystal that even if the court or tribunal directs for consideration of representations relating to a stale claim or dead grievance full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी, जिसके अंदर नाम आए थे, उसकी वजह से आपकी थोड़ी सी स्पीड कम हुई है। तो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस।